Hello friends. Before few years, I was also a fresher and looking for a job. Are you one of the freshers who is looking for a job? Then this video is for you. My strategy of creating ATS Friendly CV can get you hired. After watching this video, you will be able to create an ATS Friendly CV using Chatgpt and Overleaf in just 5 minutes. So, do like, subscribe and press a bell icon to help this video reach more people. I have few golden tips for all freshers. Enroll in certification program related to your field of study during your final year. Upgrade your hard skills like MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, coding, programming. Try to work part-time that will give you a solid mindset and vision. Involve in volunteering activities during academics. Now, it's time to show how to create ATS Friendly CV for freshers using artificial intelligence in just 5 minutes. First of all, go to chatgpt and log in with your Gmail. Copy my ChatGPT prompt in the chat box and just press enter. Wait for few seconds and let ChatGPT to load a latex code for your ATS Friendly resume. Once loading is complete, scroll up and just copy the latex code by clicking here. Go to overleaf and create free account using your Gmail. Click on a new project and give it a name and press create. Wait for few seconds and then just remove the contents from this box and paste the latex code we copied from ChatGPT. Click on recompile and see the magic. Your resume is ready. You may need to make some changes like adding your name and education details by this method I am showing to you. Follow exactly what I am doing here to update these details. You will be able to update these details easily. Then, you can change your email ID, address details and contact number by doing what exactly I showed here. Follow exactly what I am doing here to update these details. You will be able to update these details easily. Again, click on recompile and see your ATS Friendly resume is ready. Just click on the download button and your life-changing resume will be downloaded. Just open the PDF resume and check if any changes are to be made. Now you are ready to send your ATS Friendly resume to recruiters. Your CV should stand out to be picked by the recruiters if you follow all my tips. Friends, do comment on this video and get a ChatGPT prompt for making a fresher CV in just 5 minutes. You can watch my useful video on how to check ATS score of your resume by clicking a link in description. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, subscribe, and press a bell icon for future updates. Have a good day.